Designing the future isn't easy. It takes inspiration, perseverance, the right components, and as any engineer can tell you, a fully equipped workspace doesn't hurt. Believe me, we have one. Let me introduce you to the brand new Mauser Innovation Lab. It's part workshop, part design center. This is where we'll tackle a series of Empowering Innovation Together projects for 2016. Our first challenge, bringing Marvel technology to life in the form of Captain America's shield and Iron Man's gauntlet. Now, a few weeks ago, we introduced you to Alan Pan, YouTube personality, an engineer specializing in superhero tech.
3, 2, 1.
Since then, we've been hard at work, and now we're about halfway through?
Well, about halfway.
Okay, well, I might be a little bit ahead of you.
There's always a lot of pressure when you're doing a build like this on a tight timeline. But now I've got Grant Imahara trying to out-engineer me. So I'm just hoping that he's got some struggles too.
Actually, it's going pretty well, but don't tell Alan.
Oh, you know, as always, there's some problems, but that's what makes it so much fun.
All right, so what do you got going on?
Okay, well, I've got the drone chosen, and I'm gonna be putting a shield on top of this. I'm gonna have to design something that's light, made of a special foam with holes cut into the design to allow air to flow through. So what I've got here is the transmitter that's gonna control the drone, and I've got Molex Tempflex cables to connect this transmitter to this glove.
I see you've got a regular transmitter with joysticks, but how are you controlling it?
So I've got an Arduino Pro Mini here communicating to an analog device's potentiometer. I'm gonna be bypassing the manual potentiometers in the joysticks, and that's gonna control the transmitter directly.
And what's in the glove?
So this glove here has got an analog device's accelerometer, and that will hopefully be able to track the movements of my arm and map those to the movements of the drone. So I'll be able to steer the drone with my arm to replicate that Captain America ricocheting shield effect.
Right, so there's no joysticks with a remote control.
Yeah, I thought
It's all in the wrist.
Exactly. So what do you got here?
I have been running the 3D printer 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I've pretty much got all the parts. Right now, what I've got is the laser's in, the laser works.
Good.
The control software is kind of a problem. I've burnt out a few servos. So once I get that all worked out, I think I should be in pretty good shape.
Gotcha. So it's gonna be sort of like a gauntlet, and the laser's gonna pop out.
Yes.
All right. What is this? This looks like a stick of dynamite.
It is. This is believe it or not, the battery pack. It's a LiPo pack that is for the laser. And that's 8 volts, and that's why I need the analog device's DC to DC converter for precision voltages, and the Molex UltraFit power connectors and cable assemblies for high current carrying capability. And I got the highest power lasers I can legally buy, 5.5 watts.
Don't look directly at it.
No, not recommended. In fact, both of us are gonna be wearing safety glasses. And I think this is the point where I say, do not try any of this at your home or your work or your friend's home, even if you are an engineer. We've only got a few days left to finish our builds, and then it's go time. Captain America versus Iron Man. In fact, we're setting up our testing facility as we speak. So check back soon for an epic engineering face-off from Mauser and Marvel. And make sure to watch Marvel's Captain America Civil War in theaters May 6th. Captain America's shield, Iron Man's gauntlet, and 2 engineers on a mission to take superhero tech out of the film world and into reality. Now, in just a few weeks, using products from 2 of Mauser's leading manufacturers, Molex and Analog Devices, I built a replica of Iron Man's gauntlet, complete with a working laser.
And I built Captain America's shield with ricochet action.
Now, if you want to see how we built these amazing things, you can watch our previous episode. But for now, in order to commemorate Marvel's Captain America Civil War, it's high-power laser
versus a flying shield.
May the best engineer and superhero tech win. Here we go. Firing, 3, 2, 1. One,
Flying Captain America shield launching. Oh, come on! Oh, that counts! That counts!
Okay, 1-1. Firing laser.
I guess that counts. In 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Back. Yes!
All right, 2.
Flying Captain America shield, attempt number 3. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, boom!
Dude, that's amazing. Okay, here we go. I'll make it hotter.
Nice.
Firing the laser. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
All right, that counts.
I think we got it. All right, you know what? I'm gonna call it right here. Tie. Captain America, Iron Man.
Tie.
You know, how cool is it that we're able to make these things that only appear in the movies?
I mean, for them to work in real life, I think it's incredible.
Well, this has been another Empowering Innovation Together segment. For more cool stuff, go to Mouser.com. And make sure to watch Marvel's Captain America Civil War in theaters May 6th.